Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel ANZ Machinery. The production begins with the coil car, which transfers large steel coils to the uncoiler. It ensures efficient loading and minimizes downtime, enhancing productivity. The uncoiler holds the steel coil in place and unrolls it in preparation for further processing. Its design maintains tension control and alignment, essential for consistent quality. The hold-down roll applies pressure on the steel strip to prevent movement or misalignment during uncoiling. The coil peeler initiates the uncoiling process by peeling the outer layer of the steel strip, ensuring smooth feeding into the next stage. This device flattens the steel strip, removing any curvature or deformities introduced during coiling. The corrop shear cuts the steel strip to the required width, ensuring the material meets production specifications. The skewed conveyor transfers the processed steel strip to the next stage, while maintaining its alignment and reducing handling errors. The edge miller smooths and trims the edges of the steel strip, ensuring uniformity and preparing it for forming. The forming section begins shaping the steel strip into a tubular form, a crucial step in pipe production. These stands guide and shape the steel further, transitioning it from a flat strip into a round pipe form. The process is controlled to ensure precision and consistency. This stand shapes and aligns the edges of the pipe for welding, critical for maintaining seam integrity. The high-frequency HF welder fuses the edges of the steel tube, creating a seamless and durable weld. The squeeze roll stand applies pressure to ensure a strong bond. After welding, bead cutters remove excess material from the inner and outer surfaces of the pipe seam for a smooth finish. The scrap winder collects and stores the trimmed material for recycling, ensuring waste management efficiency. The inline UST inspects the pipe welds for defects, ensuring they meet stringent quality standards. The seam annealer applies heat to the welded seam, relieving stress and enhancing structural integrity. The pull-out stand extracts the pipe from the forming section and moves it into the cooling zone. Pipes pass through the air and water cooling stands in this stage. Air cooling stand lowers the pipe temperature gradually. Water cooling stand cools the pipe rapidly to a safe handling temperature. This machine labels the pipes with essential details such as size, batch number, and manufacturer information. The flying cutoff machine cuts the pipe to the desired length without stopping the production line, ensuring continuous operation. The roll stand facilitates the transfer of cut pipes to the run-out conveyor. This conveyor moves the finished pipes to the finishing line, while the coil skid organizes them for further processing. Finishing line and quality assurance. The flushing unit cleans the interior of the pipes, removing debris and ensuring a pristine finish. This machine smooths and shapes the pipe ends, preparing them for threading or coupling. These mechanisms efficiently handle and transfer pipes during finishing operations. The hydrostatic tester evaluates the pipe's pressure resistance, ensuring it meets industry standards. For additional quality assurance, this tester identifies potential flaws missed by the inline UST. Manual ultrasonic testing is performed for spot checks or further examination of critical sections. A varnish coating is applied for corrosion resistance and an enhanced aesthetic finish. This machine removes uneven ends, ensuring uniform pipe lengths. Finally, the threading machine cuts threads into the pipe ends for coupling and assembly. JCO Press Bending Line 41114. The process begins with the magnet lifter, which handles the raw material sheets or plates. This equipment uses electromagnetic force to lift and transport heavy materials safely and efficiently to the next stage. Precision is crucial in pipe manufacturing, and the edge milling machine ensures clean and uniform edges by trimming and smoothing the material edges. This prepares the plates for seamless joining and bending. This machine is responsible for pre-bending the edges of the plate. The pre-bending ensures that the material forms into the desired shape with minimal stress and distortion. The in-feeder machine automates the feeding of material into the JCO press bending machine. Its accurate alignment and controlled movement reduce waste and enhance efficiency. This is the core of the line, where the plate is formed into a cylindrical shape. The machine performs sequential J, C, and O pressing operations to achieve the desired pipe curvature. After bending, the turning transfer car moves the semi-formed pipe sections to the next stage of production with precision and minimal handling. This machine temporarily secures the pipe's edges by tack welding, holding the shape before final welding processes. The inside welding machine performs internal welding to strengthen the pipe structure, while the back bead cutting machine removes excess weld material for a smooth internal finish. This machine completes the external weld, ensuring the pipe's structural integrity and durability. The four-way machine ensures precision by adjusting the pipe's alignment and dimensions as required. This equipment processes the pipe ends to ensure uniformity and smoothness, preparing them for assembly or further processing. The washing device cleans the pipes, removing residues and preparing them for inspection. Quality control is paramount, and the X-ray test machine inspects the welds and material for defects, ensuring compliance with industry standards. Finally, the turning conveyor moves the pipe to the vanish coating machine, where a protective layer is applied. This coating enhances the pipe's durability and resistance to corrosion.